What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. Let's unbox this UTG Vertical Grip Flashlight. I just picked this up because UTG is a pretty good brand, and it's supposed to be super bright, maximum 400 lumens with an LED flashlight. I just love the idea that there is a vertical grip, which just helps give you control as well as having it lit up so that you don't have to add separate stuff all over it, you know, creating a lot of unnecessary complications and stuff. So what do we get? Get an owner's manual, which I don't think I'm going to need. Get a little hex key there. And in the package, we get pretty much everything you need. So 2 CR123 batteries, it looks like. And I don't see the milliamp reading on there. That's weird. Whatever. And then here is the vertical grip. Now, I will say, it comes out of here a little dusty. A little surprised. Not exactly a clean room. I actually wonder if that was maybe from the silica packet. I've kind of brushed it off a little bit here. It's nice, couple of flat cuts on the sides. You can get your hand around it. Nice knurling on the handle as well as on the base here. You've got some cuts here so that you can open this sucker up. I am assuming that there is an O-ring. It's nice and tight, so waterproof. You can see the inside here, and now we'll just dump these CR123As in here, both of them. And then up top, as I turn this sucker in, you got a nice cut edge here, so your finger get in there. It's like a finger groove, which is nice. So you can get nice purchase on it. You can see I can get my whole hand on it. Really nice. No extra length, no short handle with my finger hanging off or anything like that. The piece up here, I always feel like these might be just rebranded, but the piece up here is a little bit different from the other ones that I've shown you here. We have some cuts in here, some design, but it's a little different as opposed to just those, you know, relief cuts. We have a quick release as opposed to the thumb screw here for attaching this to a Picatinny rail. We have a rubberized button right there, nice crown with knurling up here, and then you can see the LED. The other thing I will say is this reflector is smooth as opposed to some of them that have been slightly like textured. If I hit that, boom! And I bet there's a strobe, maybe? You know, it's not. And I can't even half press it to get, it's either press it or not. I actually like that. I don't really like the strobe, and I certainly don't like turning it off and turning it on, going from steady beam to strobe and back again. So I actually really like the fact that this is just a single mode. I didn't know if that was or not, but it's pretty great. And that button is nice and solid. It's not hanging up on anything. Man, right now I'd say I trust this thing. It feels good, works great, super bright. Booyah. Yeah, so far I really like it. It's got serious weight to it. So get a nice purchase on things, get a light without having to attach a bunch of extra stuff on your toys. Check it out. I will put a link to this in the description. It wasn't that expensive, about $58, I think. So if you want to pick one up, do so. Peter von Panda out.